I'm going to show you how to zoom in on Google Slides. So it's very simple and easy. All you really actually have to do is when you have your Google Slides presentation opened, you can go up to the top here and click the View button. And what you can actually do is go under where it says zoom, and you'll actually see a few different zoom options. Also, you'll actually see that it says zoom in and zoom out right here, and next to it, it actually shows you the shortcuts. So I'm on a Mac, so for me, it shows that I have to click the Command button plus the Option button plus the plus sign to zoom in, and then Command Option and the minus sign to zoom out. I know on Windows, you can press the Control button plus the Alt button, and then the plus button to zoom in, and then Control plus Alt, and then the minus button to zoom back out. So for example, let's say I want to have this zoomed into 200%. I can just press 200 and you can see that it zooms in. You can use the slider down here to slide to left to right, and then up and down using the one right up here. And then alternatively, I'm pushing down the command button as well as the option button on my Mac, and then the minus symbol, and you can see that it's zooming out. And then I'm going back and doing the plus button again, and you can see it'll zoom me back in. So I hope this video was actually helpful, and if it was, be sure to leave a like down below. But if you have any other questions or anything you're unsure about, also leave a comment down below and let me know, and that way I can get back to you and help you out with that.